Today, we're going to look at IELTS Writing Task 1 overviews for the table diagram. So remember, when looking for the main trend, there are 4 basic questions we should ask ourselves. What's the biggest? What's the smallest? What has increased the most over time? Or what has decreased the most over time? Or what has stayed the same? And it's really important for this particular chart to be aware of the grammar that you'll need. Because as you look at the time, you'll notice that we have elements in the past and elements in the future. So for the exam, they want to see if you know how to use verb tenses to describe an uncertain future, where there's like a prediction. And some words we can use are words like, it is believed that the population will be, the population is predicted to, by 2050, the population could reach. And so when I look at this diagram, I can see that the table has 2 parts. One about the world population in general, and the other about the population in different regions. So when I look at the first section, I can see that the population grew, and the population is expected to continue growing. And that's it. That is the trend. When I look at the second part of the table, I see that Asia was the highest, and in the future is expected to continue being the highest. When I look at Europe and Africa, the population in Europe fell and is expected to continue to fall. And we look at Africa, Africa increased and is expected to continue increasing into the future. We could mention information about Oceania and North and Latin America, but we don't have to. Remember, this activity should only take you about 20 minutes, and we're looking at 4 paragraphs with about 150, maybe 200 words. So a sample overview might look like this. Overall, world population increased and is expected to continue increasing. It is believed that Asia will be the most populous region, while Europe and Africa will see changes. As far as the details about what do I mean by changes, when I say the population will increase, how much, all of those details, that will be included in the body. And the body paragraphs will be discussed in a later video. So if you don't want to miss those, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you're updated when I add those videos. But right now, this series is only focusing on the overview for the 7 different task types that you need to study, because remember, you will face one of those types during the test. So I hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.